Alright team, are you ready to turn your passion for fitness into a buzzing business? Whether you're all about that face-to-face training or you're dreaming of building an online fitness empire, this is your step-by-step guide to smashing it. We're talking certifications, marketing, scaling your business, all the good stuff to make sure you're in it for the long haul. We're going to break down each stage of building your PT business, giving you the tools and know-how to make it a success. No more wondering where to start or how to find clients, we're covering it all. Remember, starting your own business takes hard work and dedication, but trust me, seeing your clients smash their goals makes it all worthwhile. So are you ready to boss this? Let's jump right in. We're going to transform you from a fitness enthusiast into a fully fledged personal trainer with a thriving business. Get ready to learn, take action, and let's make this happen. Remember, this is your journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's do this! First things first, before you start dishing out burpees and bicep curls, you need to make sure you're qualified and credible. Think of your certification as your license to train. It shows potential clients that you know your stuff and you're the real deal. There are loads of different certifications out there, so it's important to do your research and choose one that's recognized and respected in the industry. Look for courses that cover anatomy, physiology, training techniques, and of course, client safety. Remember, you're responsible for people's well-being, so a solid foundation of knowledge is key. Don't just stop at the basics. The fitness industry is always evolving, so commit to lifelong learning. Attend workshops, read books, listen to podcasts, and stay up to date with the latest research. Trust me, the more you learn, the more confident you'll become, and that's going to shine through in your coaching. Remember, becoming a successful PT isn't just about knowing the exercises, it's about understanding the science behind them and knowing how to tailor your approach to each individual client. So get certified, never stop learning, and let's get you ready to train. Now that you've got the basics covered, it's time to think about your niche. What are you passionate about? Strength training? Yoga? Prenatal fitness? Finding your specialty will make your job more enjoyable and help you stand out. Think about the clients you want to work with and the results you want to achieve. Do you want to help people build muscle, lose weight, improve flexibility, or train for a sport? Tailor your certifications to become an expert in your niche. Specializing makes it easier to market yourself and attract ideal clients. People prefer trainers with a proven track record in their area of interest. Own your niche and let your expertise shine. Let's talk about the not-so-glamorous but super important stuff. Insurance and first aid. As a personal trainer, you need to be prepared for anything. Accidents can happen and you need to make sure you're covered legally and have the skills to handle emergencies. Public liability insurance is crucial for any PT. It protects you if a client gets injured while training with you. Make sure you have adequate coverage to protect yourself and your business. Get yourself booked onto a certified first aid course and refresh your knowledge regularly. Knowing how to deal with cuts, sprains, and even more serious situations could potentially save a life. Plus, it gives your clients that extra peace of mind knowing you've got their back. Get insured, get first aid trained, and you'll be good to go. Now that you're a certified fitness pro, it's time to get down to business, literally. Setting up your business legally might not be as exciting as smashing out a HIIT workout, but trust me, it's crucial for long-term success. First things first, you need to decide on your business structure. Are you going to be a sole trader, a partnership, or a limited company? Each option has its own advantages and disadvantages when it comes to taxes, liability, and paperwork. It's worth doing your research or even chatting with a business advisor to figure out what's best for you. Don't feel overwhelmed by the jargon. There are tons of resources available online and organizations that offer free advice to new businesses. The more you understand about the legal side of things, the more confident you'll be in making decisions for your business. Remember, getting the legal stuff sorted from the get-go will save you a lot of headaches down the line. It's all about setting yourself up for success from day one. Right, let's talk about getting your business registered. This is how you make it official in the eyes of the law. Depending on your chosen business structure and where you're based, you might need to register with different government bodies. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. You can usually do most of the registration process online, and there are plenty of guides to help you through it step by step. Once you're registered, you'll get a fancy business number and be ready to start invoicing like a pro. Next up, let's sort out your finances. Setting up a separate bank account for your business is a must. It keeps your personal and business finances separate, making it much easier to track income, expenses, and pay yourself a proper wage. Trust me, a little organization goes a long way. Remember, getting your business registered and finances in order might seem like admin overload, but it's essential for staying on the right side of the law and building a sustainable business. Okay, we're almost there. Now, let's talk about contracts and client agreements. These are crucial for setting clear expectations, protecting both you and your clients, and avoiding any misunderstandings down the line. Your client agreement should outline everything from your services and fees to cancellation policies and liability waivers. Think of it as a roadmap for your client relationships, ensuring everything runs smoothly. You can find templates online or even get a lawyer to draft one specifically for you. Don't be afraid to lay down the law. Having clear boundaries and expectations from the start makes for a much more professional and respectful client-trainer relationship. It shows you're serious about your business and committed to providing a top-notch service. Remember, a well-drafted contract is your best friend in business. It protects you, it protects your clients, and it sets the foundation for a successful and professional working relationship. So, get those contracts signed and let's get ready to train. Alright guys, you've got your certifications, your business is legit, now let's get you some clients. First up, it's all about networking. You've got to get out there and spread the word about your awesome PT skills. Think about it like this, every person you meet could be a potential client or know someone who needs your help. Chat with people at the gym, tell your friends and family what you're up to, hand out some business cards. You never know who you might inspire to make a positive change. Remember, word of mouth is powerful stuff. When your clients get amazing results and feel fantastic, they'll be shouting about you from the rooftops. And guess what? That's free advertising, baby. So be your own biggest cheerleader, be genuinely passionate about helping people, and watch those referrals start rolling in. Let's get those clients pumped. Now let's talk social media, my friends. It's a game changer when it comes to finding clients. Think of it as your virtual shop window, showcasing your expertise and passion to the world. First things first, create a killer profile that screams, "I'm a professional and I get results." Share inspiring client transformations, post engaging workout videos, and offer valuable fitness tips. People need to see what you're all about. Don't be afraid to get personal too. Share your own fitness journey, your struggles, and your victories. Authenticity is key. People connect with realness. And remember, consistency is king. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and build a community around your brand. Social media is a marathon, not a sprint, but trust me, with dedication and awesome content, you'll build a loyal following and attract those dream clients. Listen up, team, everyone loves a bargain. Offering free taster sessions or special introductory offers is a brilliant way to get people through the door and experience your coaching firsthand. Think of it as a no-pressure way for potential clients to get a feel for your training style, your personality, and see if you're a good fit for each other. It's all about building trust and showing them the incredible value you bring. You can advertise these freebies on your social media, your website, even pop up flyers at local businesses. Get creative to wow them during that taster session. Bring your A game, make it fun, make it challenging, and leave them wanting more. Remember, a happy client is your best marketing tool, so give them an experience they won't forget. Alright team, let's talk about money. It's time to ditch the fear of charging what you're worth and create a pricing structure that reflects your expertise and the value you bring to your clients. Remember, you're not just a trainer, you're a motivator, a confidant, a mentor, a walking encyclopedia of fitness knowledge. You're helping people transform their lives inside and out, and that's priceless. Don't be afraid to research what other PTs in your area are charging. but don't undervalue yourself just to compete. Factor in your experience, your certifications, your unique selling points, and set your rates accordingly. Remember, you're running a business here, and you deserve to be compensated fairly for your time, your energy, and your dedication. So chin up, believe in your worth, and price yourself for success. Now let's talk packages, baby. Offering different training packages is a fantastic way to cater to a wider range of clients and their individual needs and budgets. Think about it. Some people might be after a one-off session to get a taste of your coaching style, while others might be ready to commit to a full-blown transformation package. Get creative with your packages. You could offer one-on-one sessions, buddy-up options for friends who want to train together, online coaching programs for remote clients, or even specialized packages targeting specific goals like weight loss or muscle gain. By providing a variety of options, you'll make it easier for potential clients to find the perfect fit for them and their wallets. Alright guys, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of payment. First up, make it easy for your clients to pay you. Offer various payment options like bank transfers, online payment platforms, even good old-fashioned cash if that works for you. Next, establish clear payment policies from the get-go. Outline your cancellation policy, your refund policy, and any late payment fees. This protects both you and your client and ensures a smooth and professional transaction every time. Think about offering payment plans for longer programs. Spreading the cost over a few months can make it more manageable for clients and increase your chances of securing those big commitments. Remember, transparency is key. Be upfront about your pricing, your policies, and answer any questions your clients may have. Clear communication builds trust and makes for happy, long-term client relationships. Alright team, let's talk about marketing your PT biz, because you could be the best trainer in the world, but if nobody knows about you, you won't be training anyone. First up, social media. It's your best mate when it comes to getting your name and face out there. Think of it like this. You're not just a trainer, you're a brand. What's your vibe? Are you all about high-intensity boot camp style? Or more focused on mindful movement and flexibility? Whatever your jam, make sure your social media reflects that. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and don't be afraid to show off your personality. Now, content is king, right? Share client transformation stories, with their permission of course. Post snippets of your workouts, offer healthy recipe ideas, and give sneak peeks into your own fitness journey. People buy from people, so let them see the real you. Remember, consistency is key. Just like with your workouts, you gotta stay consistent with your social media efforts. Schedule time each day to engage, post, and connect with potential clients. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next up, let's talk about the power of good old-fashioned networking. Get out there and meet people. Attend local fitness events, join running clubs, or even just strike up conversations at the gym. Remember, every person you meet could be a potential client, or know someone who's looking for a trainer. Always have some business cards handy and don't be shy about telling people what you do. Another great way to network is to collaborate with other businesses in the fitness industry. Think physiotherapists, nutritionists, or even yoga instructors. You can refer clients to each other and build a strong network of support. And don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage your happy clients to spread the word by offering referral bonuses or discounts. Happy clients are your best advocates. Now, once you've got a good client base going, you might be thinking about scaling up your business. This could mean taking on more clients, hiring other trainers, or even opening your own studio. But before you go full steam ahead, it's important to have a solid plan in place. Think about your long-term goals. Do you want to build a fitness empire, or are you happy with a smaller, more intimate client base? If you're thinking about hiring, make sure you find trainers who share your values and training philosophy. You want to create a strong team that delivers amazing results for your clients. And if opening your own studio is the dream, start planning early. Research locations, crunch the numbers, and create a killer business plan. Remember, scaling up takes time, effort, and a whole lot of dedication. But trust me, it's worth it. Alright team, let's talk about longevity in the fitness industry. Because let's be real, being a PT is a demanding job and it's easy to burn out if you're not careful. That's why setting boundaries is crucial. First things first, establish clear working hours. Just like any other job, you need time to switch off, recharge, and focus on your own well-being. Don't be afraid to say no to clients who want to train outside of your designated hours. Next, make sure you're taking time for yourself. Schedule in rest days, prioritize your own workouts, and nourish your body with healthy food. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. And don't be afraid to say no to opportunities that don't align with your values or goals. It's okay to be selective and prioritize your own well-being. Now let's talk about keeping the passion alive. Being a personal trainer is an incredibly rewarding job, but it can also be challenging at times. So how do you stay motivated and avoid burnout? First and foremost, remember why you started. What was it about fitness that lit you up in the first place? Was it helping people transform their lives, seeing the look on their faces when they achieve a goal, or simply sharing your love of movement? Next, keep learning and growing. The fitness industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest research and training methods. Attend workshops, read books, and never stop being a student of your craft. And finally, surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Connect with other trainers, join online communities, and build a network of people who understand the joys and challenges of the fitness industry. Now, let's get real for a sec. As much as we love what we do, having financial security is important. That's why diversifying your income streams is a smart move for any personal trainer. Think about it. What else are you passionate about that you could turn into a side hustle? Maybe you love creating healthy recipes and could launch an ebook, or perhaps you're a whiz at social media and could offer consulting services to other fitness professionals. Another great option is to create online programs or challenges. This allows you to reach a wider audience and generate passive income. Plus, it's a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with people all over the world. Remember, diversifying your income streams not only boosts your bank balance, but also provides a safety net if one area of your business slows down. It's all about creating a sustainable and fulfilling career in the fitness industry. That's a wrap on starting your personal training business. We've covered everything from getting certified and finding clients to marketing your services and avoiding burnout. Remember, building a successful personal training business takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of passion. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge in starting a fitness business? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next video.